Welcome to our channel. Are you ready to take your online business to the next level? Do you want to create a modern, eye-catching, and fully functional e-commerce website that caters to a wide range of popular store niches? Look no further. In this video, we'll show you how to achieve just that using a full-featured WooCommerce theme. From fashion to electronics, from home decor to sports equipment, we've got you covered. Your dream online store is just a few steps away. Creating a modern e-commerce website store niches. Full-featured WooCommerce theme. Section 1, choosing the right WooCommerce theme. The foundation of any successful e-commerce website is the theme. It determines your site's look, functionality, and user experience. When catering to multiple store niches, you need a theme that's not just versatile but also powerful. We'll help you understand the key features to look for in a WooCommerce theme and guide you through choosing the perfect one for your business. Section 2, installation and setup. Once you've chosen the right theme, it's time to set up your e-commerce website. Don't worry, we've got you covered. We'll take you through the installation process step by step. By the end of this section, your website will be up and running, ready to showcase your products to the world. Section 3, customization and design. Your online store's design is crucial in attracting and retaining customers. We'll teach you how to customize your website to reflect your brand and create a visually appealing shopping experience. From logos to color schemes, from product layouts to banners, we've got the design tips that will make your store stand out. Section 4, adding products. A modern e-commerce website is nothing without its products. We'll show you how to add and manage your products effectively. Whether you are selling clothing, electronics, or anything else, we've got the solutions you need. Get ready to create a seamless shopping experience for your customers. Section 5, payment and shipping. Making it easy for your customers to pay and receive their orders is essential. We'll walk you through setting up payment gateways and configuring shipping options for different store niches. Say goodbye to payment hassles and hello to smooth, secure transactions. Section 6, SEO and marketing. Having a fantastic online store is one thing, getting customers to visit is another. We'll share SEO and marketing strategies that will drive traffic and boost your sales. Section 7, customer support and maintenance. Your journey doesn't end once your website is live. We'll guide you on how to provide excellent customer support and maintain your site for long-term success. Your customers will keep coming back for more. Congratulations! You've now learned how to create a modern e-commerce website catering to 8+ popular store niches using a full-featured WooCommerce theme. Your online business is on the brink of success, and we're here to support you all the way. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with fellow entrepreneurs who are ready to take the e-commerce world by storm. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Stay connected with us on social media. Contact with us on call and visit our website for more valuable resources. Thanks for joining us today, and best of luck with your online store.